Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're holding out well in these markets, which are quite bullish at the moment. But no, hope you're all doing great. Wanted to do a middle of the day market update here with all of you talking about the markets, which have kind of exploded. Some coins at least, because what we have seen so far is that Ethereum is pumping. And what that means is that Optimism is pumping, Arbitrum is pumping, Aave is pumping, ENS, Ethereum Name Service is pumping, Pepe is pumping. So it's absolutely amazing. There's some other coins as well outside of that narrative, which I think are interesting. So we'll talk about those as well. But in general, I just wanted to do a full update here, a full analysis of the markets. Bitcoin has been steady, all right? Bitcoin itself, to start off with that, which is basically the market, is relatively flat. We had some volatility, as you can see right here, but ultimately this still looks good, as I said earlier today, to actually get some sort of continuation into the top of the range and to stay in this consolidation. I don't really, you can also see that the leverage also was very nicely gotten out of the price ahead of the US session, so that's great. I don't see a reason why this would break out. Volume has increased a little bit over the course of today. Well, no, it has actually not. But volume has remained steady. Open interest, so momentum has increased at times, for example, also right now. But there's not enough momentum, there's not enough volume to get a breakout. So I think ultimately it's most likely that Bitcoin is slowly going for the top of the range right here, around 98,000. I think people that are aiming for 100,000 will be stopped out. I don't think we'll get there. I don't think, like I said, we have the volume or momentum. So ultimately, I think Bitcoin will get there, but will just stabilize in this area which we are in right now. And depending on the Bitcoin dominance, that's either great or not. At the moment, it looks great. All right, what you can see right here, if you look at Ethereum against BTC, is that we broke out again above a major resistance level. So in general, it looks like ETH BTC, which basically means the strength of Ethereum, which is also great for altcoins, which we've talked about earlier. It looks like this is going to continue into the next resistance level, potentially also break above that, and just in general turn bullish. And that is extremely bullish for not only Ethereum, which I think is still going to 10K, not this year, but this bull market. And that is also, so Ethereum itself is definitely a coin I would trade right now. But it's also great for certain Ethereum beta coins. All right, so basically coins that have to do with the Ethereum network. I know Pepe sounds weird to be in that to kind of be in that situation, but Pepe is a great Ethereum beta coin. All right, and those are doing great. So if you, or the main thing I would do is keep an eye on those. All right, see if you can actually catch some nice entries on them. There's no guarantee that this will all continue. I do think Ethereum will remain strong. I do think the Ethereum narrative and Ethereum beta will be strong as well. That doesn't mean, and you should realize that doesn't mean that you can just blindly buy all of these Ethereum beta altcoins. I think they are the most interesting narrative right now. And I think if there's a narrative that's going to perform well today, it's that one. So you should keep your eyes on them and you should look for setups, but stick to your strategy, all right? And stick to technical analysis and stick to whatever you do to find good trades. Because this is like, there's no easy money in crypto, even though it may seem like that sometimes. So that's looking great right now. You can also see that right here, Ethereum beta absolutely performing. When we're talking about other narratives right now, I wouldn't necessarily say that there's other narratives performing very well. Fetch and WorldCoin, though, are actually performing quite well again. They also move together a lot in the weekend. So they're both AI, right? So it's kind of a narrative, but not the entire narrative is going right now. I think if Fetch is able to actually get a breakout here above $2, which historically, as you can see, is a major resistance level. If we can get that, I think this looks like a buy. So it's not only Ethereum beta where there's opportunities. There's opportunities in the entire market, right? And most of you know that as well. But something like Fetch is quite interesting. Gala also is very strong. When I look through the list right now, Jupiter, I'm not sure. And AVAX, I actually do think is bullish as well still. AVAX actually, to end the video right there, AVAX was able to actually get a massive bullish breakout above $50. Looks good to get into that previous main resistance level right here at 60. So that's also a coin I would keep my eyes on if I were you. But that's it for now. Those are my thoughts on the markets. That's what I think you need to focus on for now. Finally, just to do a little bit of self-promotion, if you don't mind. If you do mind, click away. But if you actually want exposure to these coins, so for example, in the Signal group, we actually bought ENS, consider joining the Signal group. Not only will you receive profitable trades with the entry, with the stop loss, with the take profit, both in futures and spot, but it's also very much focused on making you a better trader. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. But for now, that's what I think you need to know for today. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.